Very good afternoon, Shraddha. Why you are late? ओह भूख लग गई तुम्हें इतनी जल्दी? अच्छा ठीक है, no problem, it's okay. So now today we continue the exercise 17B and I want ki we will finish this today by today. There is only 5 questions is left. Yesterday there is I don't know why I am confused about the question number 6, but now we start with question number 6 today. And this week uh, I will give the homework regarding the exercise 17B only and the next chapter whatever I will start. Okay, now read the question, Shraddha. Question number 6, please. Okay. Yes. So first we have to draw AB 6 centimeter. First draw a line segment AB which is 6 centimeter, and then at point A draw a perpendicular, means draw 90-degree angle. Draw 90-degree angle. Okay. Now we know that the altitude is 2.5. So take a radius of 2.5 and put your compass at point A and cut 2.5. This is 2.5. Now this is L. This point is L. Now at L, draw again draw at L, draw a line or a line segment which is perpendicular to AL, or which passes through the L also. So everyone draw like this. Draw a line. Draw a line. Basically, you have to draw the perpendicular at L. You have to draw the perpendicular at L. L पे एक perpendicular बनाना है. And it passes L also, दोनों तरफ. Now is it be clear? ये clear हो गया सबको या नहीं हुआ? किसी को कोई confusion है तो please पूछ सकता है. You have to draw a 90-degree angle on L, but you have to pass through L to the other side. Now you see there is one diagonal is given, AC. Now take a radius of 3.4, put a compass at A and cut this line. कहीं भी कट सकता है ये line. You can cut say XY AC. We are cutting this taking a radius of 3.5 and we get a point C. Now join with B. Now join with B. And now take a radius of 6.5 centimeter. Now take a radius of 6.5 centimeter. Okay. And AB is 6.5. This is 6.5 centimeter. Okay. Now take a radius of 6.5 centimeter in your compass and put at C and cut 6.5. And this is point D and you can join here. Is this clear or not? किसी को कहीं कोई confusion है? Please पूछ लो. See, first draw a line segment AB that is 6.5 centimeters. Then draw perpendicular at A. A पे एक 90 degree बनाओ. And now we know that the altitude is 2.5. So take a radius of 2.5 and put your compass at A and cut arc L. At L, draw perpendicular or 90 degree again. But this time this line passes through L to the other side also. Now, after that, we know that ki, AC is 3.4. AC is 3.4 centimeter. Then take a radius of 3.4 and put a compass at A and cut the arc that is C. And you can join also. Sorry. See, AC. This is, and the last thing is we have to draw altitude from C. इतना सबका बन गया है, then I will move further. सबका इतना कंस्ट्रक्शन हो गया है या नहीं हुआ है? मंजीत, आर यू लिसनिंग मी? क्या प्रॉब्लम है बताओ, कहाँ रुके हो तुम? DL DNA. अच्छा, D पॉइंट नहीं है. फ्रॉम C you take, because the opposite sides are equal in a parallelogram. So take a radius of 6.5, put your compass at C and cut D point. Clear हुआ? Now tell me what is the problem with Shraddha? Shraddha, अपनी problem बताओ. Okay. Shivani. Okay, मतलब now this is clear ना? अभी जल्दी से कर लो. Now the third, मतलब next step is you have to draw the altitude from C. Sorry. Then I will tell you how to draw the altitude from any point. और हो जाए तो प्लीज डन बोल देना. Okay. Shivani, done? Good. Shivani और सक्षम. No sound. Okay, now take a compass. अब अपने कंपास को C point पर रखो, like this. You can see, you can put your compass like this, and you can see, ये जो नीचे लाइन है ये दो जगह पे कट जानी चाहिए. You have to draw a arc from C. अगर हम C पे अपने कंपास को रख के we just put a compass at C and draw an arc like this, एक सर्कल बनाने करने की कोशिश करेंगे तो ये लाइन इस तरह से कटेगा. हुआ? कट गया? कट गया या नहीं कटा? ओके, गुड. Now now put a compass at one point and draw an arc. You can change the radius, but for these 2 points you cannot change. You must you can use the same radius from this point, and this point. See, but you have to take the radius more than half of this line, like this. You just measure it more than half, and then put a compass here and mark like this. एक यहाँ पर arc लगाओ, and now From the other point, you can cut this arc like this. And now you see, if you draw a line from here, you can see this is perpendicular. Yes or no? Please मुझे बता देना. You can see this point is perpendicular. And we can say this is E, M, okay, L, okay, E. Now this point is E. And now you can measure, this is 2.5 or not? Everyone please measure this CE. CE is equal to what, 2.5 or not? Yes, done, good. You were done. Next. Oh, it's कोई बात नहीं, it's okay, doesn't matter, 1 centimeter. Done. Shivani, Saksham, Manjeet. I don't understand what happened to the others. They are doing, still doing. Can I rub this now? I want to solve 3-4 more questions. Done, everyone done? Good. I don't know why Shivani's voice is not coming. Now the next question. Saksham, read the next question, please. Question number 13. Okay, good. So you all know that the sides are equal in a rhombus. So just draw a diagonal like this. This is the basically homework question. You can draw AC 6.5 centimeter, take a radius of 4, and from A mark like this, from A mark down like this, then C cut, and now the figure is like this. This is basically the homework. Question number 13 you can do in homework. Don't do now. Just make a rough figure like this. And this is 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and this is also the 4 centimeter. Clear, everyone? Clear question number 13? Now, you will read the next question 14. Again, it is what is rhombus of sides. So we know that, see, side is there. So you can draw one side that is 7.2 centimeters. Everyone draw question number 14. Any side that is 7.2 centimeter, or you can say PQ. Okay. At P, draw angle equal to 60 degree. Like this. Draw angle equal to 60 degree. Okay. And you were telling me, what is the property of the opposite angle, adjacent angle in a rhombus? Opposite angles are equal, but what about the adjacent angle? No, they are supplementary. If it is 6, if it is 60 degree, so angle P plus angle Q is equal to 180 degree. They are supplementary. Adjacent angle are supplementary. So angle Q is equal to 180 degree minus 60, which is equal to 120 degree. Is it be okay? And now at Q draw 60, 120, 120 degree angle. Now take a radius of 7.2 centimeter. Now take a radius of 7.2 centimeter, and put the compass at P, cut arc 1, put the compass at Q, cut arc like this, join this is 7.2, this is 7.2, and this is also the 7.2. The required PQRS from the required rhombus PQRS is constructed now. हो गया? डन? हाँ करो 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 करो, कोई बात नहीं, करो. Good. Now the next 15th question, Shivani, read the question. So it is a trapezium. So let us start with AB. We can draw a line segment AB, that is 6 centimeter. AB 6 centimeter का है. It's not a straight line. AB 6 centimeter. Okay. And now, anyone know how to draw the 75-degree angle with the help of compass? बताओ. Tell me. How? तो उसको कहते क्या है? 75-degree angle we make with the compass. How? It is basically a bisector. 75-degree is the bisector of 90 and 60. समझ में आया सबको कि नहीं? You have to draw 75-degree with the help. First you can make 90-degree angle, then put a dot like this, okay, and then bisector from here. You can take any radius and cut like this and draw 75-degree. 75-degree. Is this clear? So now the angle B is 75-degree. And now BC is what? BC is how much, Shivani? BC, Saksham? बता दो कोई भी. BC, what is BC? BC is 4 centimeter. Now take a radius of 4 centimeter. Now take a radius of 4 centimeter, put a compass at B and cut C 4 centimeter. This is point C and this is 4 centimeter. Okay. Now, अब हमें now the last thing we have to draw the D. और उसके बारे में हमारे पास तो कोई इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है. Is there any information for D? है क्या? If it is a trapezium, means in मतलब ABCD is a trapezium is given. ABCD is a trapezium. So angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 75 degree, which is equal to 105. 105. अब मुझे ये बताओ कि हम 105 डिग्री का एंगल कैसे बना सकते हैं? हाउ डू वी मेक 105 डिग्री एंगल विद द हेल्प ऑफ कंपास और स्केल? Yes, exactly right. So from here you can draw 120-degree angle. First draw an arc, then 60, 120, then 90, then 90. Then you can take you can make 120 105. So 105 you take the bisector from 90 and 120. So maybe like this. Okay. Maybe a line draw like this. This is 120, 105, 105 degree. Now you see CD is given here. So take a radius. Yes, very nice. So take a radius of 3.2. Take a radius of 3.2 and put your compass at C and cut. This is 3.2 centimeters. And now join with A. This is D. And now the question number 16, you can do your own in homework. Is that clear or not? किसी को कोई confusion है तो please पूछे इसमें. Good. Very nice. So please check the solution and tomorrow we will start the next chapter. Next is what? Area of trapezium and polygon. Polygon is left or finished? Shivani? Oh, I think it's finished. So tomorrow we will start. Tomorrow we will start three-dimensional shape. Three-dimensional figure. Chapter number 19. Chapter number 19. Oh, done. Okay. Then volume also finished. So data handling. So now tomorrow we will start chapter number 21, data handling. ठीक है, तो अब कंस्ट्रक्शन कंप्लीट. और अब किसी को भी कोई डाउट होगा तो आफ्टर सम टाइम फ्रॉम 8 देयर इज ऑफलाइन क्लास. यस. सो आई वांट कि आई थिंक कि एवरीवन. यस, बोलो श्रद्धा. हाँ जी, खुल गया समझो. अभी कुछ बाकी नहीं रह गया है. यस, फ्रॉम द 8 स्कूल खुल जाएगा. एवरी फ्रॉम द 6 to 9 स्कूल खुलेगा. 6 to 9 एंड क्लास 8. यस, डेली 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 आना है. और वो तो अभी तुम्हारे को इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगा ना कि यू हैव टू कम. फर्स्ट डे आओगे तो फर्दर इन्फॉर्मेशन. बट सी आफ्टर द स्कूल आई विल एवरी क्लास टीचर विल सबमिट अ फॉर्म. तो उस फॉर्म का फोटोकॉपी सबको निकालना है, मतलब प्रिंट आउट निकालना है एंड फिल एंड साइंड विथ योर पेरेंट्स. ठीक है. एंड यू हैव फॉर्म में कुछ नहीं दे, वो पढ़ लेना फॉर्म में क्या होगा. वो मतलब बिकॉज स्कूल इज नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर एनी काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स ना. सो देर इज स्कूल वांट अ परमिशन. वैसे तो यहाँ पर 9th क्लास के बच्चे पढ़ने आते हैं. वी ऑल्सो कमिंग टू टेक आवर क्लासेस ऑनलाइन और ऑफलाइन वॉट एवर. सो तो भी स्कूल नीड अ परमिशन लेटर फ्रॉम योर पेरेंट्स. मतलब पेरेंट्स ने अलाउ कर दिया कि हाँ माय किड्स. तो कोरोना होगा क्यों, हम लोग यहाँ पर काम नहीं कर रहे. भाई यू आर थिंकिंग नेगेटिव. Why the nine students are also every day they will come, they are coming to the school. तो फिर be positive means you have to first make your mind. अगर if you don't want to continue off मतलब if you don't want to continue offline, you can continue the sorry online classes. If you don't want to continue the offline class, you don't want to come to the school, then you can continue offline classes. Okay? ठीक है श्रद्धा? नहीं नहीं, मैंने बताया इफ एनीवन, देखो ये दिस इज ये स्कूल का ये है कि स्कूल तुम्हें प्रेशर नहीं कर सकता कि यू हैव टू कम. इफ यू वांट टू कंटिन्यू विद ऑनलाइन क्लास देन यू कैन कंटिन्यू सेम. सभी बच्चे यहाँ पर आएंगे, वी आर डूइंग द ऑनलाइन एंड ऑफलाइन क्लास टुगेदर. सो क्लास मिस नहीं होगी, दिस इज द थिंग बेसिकली. और और तो बस ठीक है, यही है. ओके तो अभी सभी क्लास टीचर्स अपने कंसर्न लेटर देंगे, उसमें अपना नाम, रोल नंबर और वॉट एवर जो भी डिटेल्स होंगी, यू हैव टू टेक फर्स्ट यू हैव टू टेक द प्रिंट आउट ऑफ दैट एंड देन फिल द फॉर्म एंड साइन विथ योर पेरेंट्स. Okay, it means that your parents are allowing you to come to the school for studies. Okay, सभी को समझ में आ गया? सभी को समझ आ गया? Okay, bye bye, take care everyone. Now the class is over. Tomorrow we will start the next chapter. Bye bye.